The state of Connecticut is taking another step in the fight for mental health services. Governor Ned Lamont signed legislation today. And News 8's Mackenzie Maynard has more on the mental health parity law.
The bill signed into law will now make sure all Connecticut residents can access the mental health care they need, with a big focus on cracking down on insurance companies.
It's a powerful shift from hoping insurers do the right thing to holding them accountable when they don't.
The law requires insurance companies provide the same coverage for mental health as they would any medical or surgical condition. It also now allows the state to issue fines when insurance companies violate the law, which is a big difference from the previous mental health parity law enacted in 2019.
There were a couple of flaws in that law we wrote in 2019. One, that there were no penalties. Insurance companies were supposed to do it, but there were no fines if they didn't.
With the new mental health parity, insurance companies will have to produce annual reports to prove they're complying with the law.
I've been sitting here for the last couple minutes thinking about my dad, because my dad died about 20 years ago of cancer, but before that he was an alcoholic in long-term recovery.
For State Comptroller Sean Scanlon, this law hits close to home.
Because he quit drinking the month before I was born and went to rehab in Connecticut here and got the help that he needed, but he never got more help.
He had a front row seat growing up, watching his father struggle with mental health.
We can't just pass one bill and think we've solved this problem. This country is facing a crisis when it comes to mental health, and we have a real opportunity in our state to make a difference.
Back in May, Connecticut's House of Representatives unanimously approved the legislation, now signed into law.
We're going to make sure that there is mental health parity. Physical health, mental health, they are one and the same. They are one and the same.
In Hartford, Mackenzie Maynard, News 8.